Hello friends, I'm back with men's skin problem solution because men's also need so much care for their skin more than women. For them, the first formula is Multani Mitti and lemon juice face pack for whitening face. For the formula 1, we need Multani Mitti or Fuller Earth and lemon juice. Take 1 teaspoon of Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller Earth, in a bowl, in a clean bowl. With the Multani Mitti, also add 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. After using the lemon juice, mix the combination very well and make a smooth paste. Oh, one more thing. If you don't have lemon juice in your house, you can use orange juice or sugarcane juice as well. But it will be more useful and more helpful for your skin if you can use the orange juice or lemon juice. Try to avoid the sugarcane juice. After mix the combination very well, apply the mix in your clean face with brush or your finger. Make a thin layer and then wait for 20 minutes and let it dry. After the mix fully dry in your skin, wash it off with normal water and use a good moisturizer. You can use 2 to 3 times in a week. And then come to the number 2. It's just lemon and honey face pack. It is for oil control and wrinkle removal. For that, we need lemon juice and honey. And also a cotton ball for apply. Take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in a clean bowl. Lemon juice will be fresh, but here you can't use the orange juice. You need the lemon juice. And then add 1 teaspoon of organic honey. Mix both these ingredients properly and make a smooth paste. It will be little bit sticky. After evenly apply on your face and gently rubbing with a cotton ball. And then wait for 20 minutes and leave it in your face. After 20 minutes, wash the face pack with normal water. Don't use any kind of hot water and face wash. Do this every day till the skin gets light and even toned. And finally, the number 3, the Multani Mitti and green tea face pack. It will be for anti-aging and pimple removal. For that, we need Multani Mitti as well as Fuller Earth and green tea. In a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of Multani Mitti, which is known as Fuller Earth. You can buy the Multani Mitti or Fuller Earth in any kind of cosmetic shop. And with the Fuller Earth, also add 3 to 4 teaspoons of hot green tea. Green tea is very helpful for our skin and also for our diet. So, you can use green tea for your skin also and for your health also. Mix the combination very well and make a smooth paste of Multani Mitti. And then wait for 1 minute. And after 1 minute, apply the pack in your face and in your neck gently with a thin layer. And wait for 20 minutes. But make sure that before using any kind of face pack, your face will be clean. I always told that before using any kind of face pack, just apply it in your hand and see it will be okay for your skin or not. After 20 minutes, dry it, then wash it with clean water and use moisturizer. This can be used 3 times in a week. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.